Hey there, Phoebe Fazio here with a sound washing for you. This one is for those of you who are suffering, whether it's physical illness or the fear of all that's going around about the illnesses, viruses, and whatever. May this soothe you. Yesterday I did a sound washing. I didn't record it, but I sent it out. And it's my intention to do that every day. I don't know if I'll be recording them every day, but if you're suffering, I hope this brings you some relief. So just close your eyes and allow the sounds to wash over you. Know that all of these sounds are designed to soothe and shift and ease whatever it is that you're going through. And I thank you for listening. Here we go. Keep return to yourself, to your true self, your highest expression. Remember, you're here for a reason. You don't need to know what the reason is, but it is necessary that you're here. And by you being here and being present and as yourself, you show up in the world. And when you show up as yourself in the world, you are healing in whatever way that you do that. You are a blessing. And we thank you. Thank you for being here. And thank you for listening. All right, I love you. Take good care of you. Send out the healing that you are into the world. All right, talk to you next time. Bye.